Hello friends, my name is Vinod Kumar Agarwal. I am teacher for CA Final Financial Reporting. Today I am going to analyze the financial reporting paper of May 2022, the exam which has just concluded, and I am going to tell you the entire question paper was from study material, RTP, MTP and the past examination. So you will see on the screen I have written question number, marks, the topic, remark, and the last column is important, which shows you the source of the question from ASF book reference. Mind you friends, all questions are from our two books which I provide to the student, which is called FR Class Note with Solution Part 1 and FR Class Note with Solution Part 2. I have written the question number and page number also. You can check it if you want, and you will find it. All these questions are there in our book. So I'll quickly analyze the CA Final FR May 2022 paper. First question is for 15 mark. This is an often repeated question on business combination. Same question is there in the study material also. This question was in earlier exam also, and it was in April 2021 MTP also, and we have covered this question in the class in detail, and the question number is 36, page number 23.47 of our FR Class Note with Solution. The source of this question is, so if you have not purchased, you can purchase. You will find all questions there. It is prepared in detail. All RTP, MTP exam questions, study material question and reference material questions are there, plus additional question that we discuss in the class is also covered in that FR Class Note with Solution. Question number 1B was for 5 marks. This question is based on Ind AS 1, and this question is based on classification of loan in case of default. This question is there in the study material also, and it is there, same question, exactly same question in our class note, question number 33, page number 3.17. You can do it easily if you have done in advance. Question number 2A was for 6 mark, a very basic question on corporate social responsibility. So it has two parts. One part requires you to examine the need for a CSR committee, and the other part was relating to accounting of CSR expenditure. We have covered the same concept in our book in two questions. Question 2, which is covering the requirement of CSR committee, and question number 5, which deals with the expenditure treatment. So there are two questions in our FR Class Note with Solution 2 and 5, page number 39.2 and 39.7. Question number 2B was for 6 mark, and this was a very easy question on 115 revenue recognition. The concept was bill and hold. The customer wants to take the delivery at a later stage, that is bill and hold. Same problem is in the study material, and we have given the same question in our FR Class Note with Solution, question number 98. Question number 2C was for 8 mark, Ind AS 115. This question has part 1 and part 2. Part 1 was based on the concept of where you allow the customer to refund, and this is there in the study material. This was asked in MTP May 2020, MTP April 2019. Okay, and we have covered the same question in our book. The first part is question number 15, our class note with solution. The second question was based on slab wise pricing. That is, if you purchase between 0 to some unit, this is the price you will charge. If you purchase between this and this price will be charged. Same to same question is there in the study material, RTP May 2020, March 2021 MTP, and even in November 2020 exam, a similar question was asked. We have covered all these questions in our class note with solution, question number 61 in our book. Question number 3A, 7 mark question. based on Ind AS 19, where you have to reconcile opening and closing balance of plan asset and defined benefit plan. Same question is there in the study material, and we have covered in the class also. Question number 59. Question number 3B was a very easy question on Ind AS 23 borrowing cost. Even an intermediate student can answer that question. It was so easy, and we have covered exactly the same question in our class, question number 42. Question number 3C was based on Ind AS 21, a very good question which is based on consolidation of a foreign subsidiary. It requires you to calculate goodwill in the first part. In the second part, it requires you to calculate the unrealized profit on the stock transfer. Same question was asked in November 21 RTP and May 21 RTP. And we have also covered the same question in our class, question number 38. Question number 4A, 14 marks, Ind AS 32, question on convertible bond. This question is there in the study material also, and we have also covered in the class question number 87, Ind AS 32, page number of our FR class note with solution 24.56. Question number 4B was a theory question on conceptual framework for financial reporting, and it was an optional question. So the other option is question 4B on integrated reporting. What is integrated reporting? And they had also asked you what are the important features of integrated reporting framework. This question is there in study material, MTP March 19, and we have also given this question in our class note, question number 6. Then we'll come to question number 5A. Question number 5A was based on government grant Ind AS 20. It has two parts, part 1 and part 2. Both are based on deferred payment. So part 1 was from the study material and part 2 was from RTP of November 2020. Both questions we have covered in our class note, question number 13 and question number 14. Question number 5B, Ind AS 105, a very good question which is based on disposal group. Same question in the study material, and we have covered 3 or 4 similar question. The question which is exactly matching with the ICI is question number 19 in our class note. 5C was based on basic and diluted EPS calculation if there is a convertible debenture. Similar question is there in study material, and we have also covered 3-4 questions on basic and diluted EPS calculation when there is a convertible debenture. In fact, we have covered a much difficult question than what they have asked in the exam. Question number 6A was 5 marks based on Ind AS 113, a very simple question on fair value calculation, and the same question was there in November 2021 RTP of the institute, and which we have covered in the class, question number 24. Question number 6B for 5 marks was based on Ind AS 32, and here it was a very simple question on accounting for loan using effective interest rate method. A similar question with different figure is there in the study material, and we have also covered the same question in our class note, question number 23. Question number 6 was a very good question on investment property, where they have asked 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, under different scenarios. You have to answer how will you do the accounting of investment property, and this question was asked in RTP May 2021, copy paste in the exam. We have already covered in our class note, question number 34, FR class note with solution. You can find question number 34, page 15.20. And the last question number D, 6D was a very good question based on Ind AS 103 and Ind AS 36. So first you will have to compute purchase consideration, non-controlling interest, goodwill, and then they have also asked you how to calculate impairment of goodwill by two methods. Which are the two methods? Full goodwill method and partial goodwill method, where NCI is based on either fair value or proportionate share in net asset. Same question was asked in November 2018 RTP, and we had discussed in detail in the classroom also. This is question number 53, page 13.41 of our FR class note with solution. So what is my observation? That on the whole the paper was very easy and the student can easily score 70 plus marks. Yes, if you have done our FR class note with solution fully, you will be able to get easily 70 plus marks. Most of the questions, as you can see above, are from ICI study material, RTP, MTP and past examination. More focus I found was on ICI material and RTP. And then we have covered all these questions in the classroom. So dear student, those who are appearing for future exams, I have a suggestion for you. We have prepared a very good material after years of hard work and research. This is called FR class note with solution, available on our website, and all questions are covered from this booklet, and in future also it will be covered from this book only. We will keep on updating it with every exam. So thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Those who appeared for FR exam, I wish you all the best. You'll come out with flying colors. Thank you very much.